Mia and Jack were strolling through the park on a sunny afternoon, with Mia proudly showing off her dog, Max, who was known for his perfect behavior. Jack, though not a dog person, tried to keep his cool but was clearly uneasy around Max. Amused, Mia handed him the leash. Jack, determined to prove himself, began waving his hands wildly in front of Max, as if trying to speak telepathically. Max just sat there, tilting his head in confusion. Just as Mia began to giggle, Max spotted a squirrel and, without warning, bolted. Jack, caught off guard, was yanked off his feet and dragged through the grass as he clung to the leash. Mia burst into laughter as Jack was pulled across the park, struggling to regain control. Finally, Max stopped, panting happily, completely unfazed by the chaos he'd caused. Jack collapsed onto